Hi, welcome to this video. You can quickly delete all duplicate photos on your iPhone by using the built-in duplicates album in the Photos app. So open the Photos app on your iPhone. You can scroll a little bit down here and switch to or tab collections or albums at the bottom of the screen, right? And scroll down to utilities section. So I'm gonna scroll a little bit down. Utilities, right? You can see right here, albums, right? And basically check for utilities section if available, obviously. Here, utilities. Now, you can tap duplicates from within, right? This album only shows up if your iPhone finds matching images or videos. Tap select in the top right corner, then tap select all, tap merge at the bottom of the screen, and confirm by tapping merge items. So consider liking this video, subscribing, really helps with the channel. Till next time, see ya.